VentureMate AI has just been released, and it's making waves in the AI software world. If you're considering whether this tool is the right fit for you, there are 7 crucial things you need to know before jumping in. Stick around until the end because I'll also share where you can try VentureMate AI for free and compare it to other software options. So, what is VentureMate AI? Simply put, it's an AI-driven solution designed to help businesses automate key operations, whether it's marketing, customer service, or project management. It's one of the latest entries into the market, and it has some serious potential. But is it really worth all the hype? Let's dive into the details. First, let's talk about its ease of use. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by complex software, you'll appreciate how user-friendly VentureMate AI is. From the get-go, the interface is clean and intuitive. You don't need to be an AI expert to navigate it, which is a huge plus for beginners. Next, the automation features are top-notch. One of VentureMate AI's standout qualities is its ability to automate mundane tasks. Whether you're running ads, managing social media accounts, or handling customer inquiries. This software can save you hours of time each week by handling repetitive tasks for you. But it's not just about convenience. VentureMate AI also excels in its data analysis capabilities. It uses advanced algorithms to analyze customer behavior and engagement patterns, which helps you make more informed decisions in real time. Imagine having the power to optimize your campaigns on the fly based on data-driven insights. It's a game changer. Speaking of campaigns, VentureMate AI offers incredible support for digital marketing efforts. It integrates seamlessly with various platforms like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and even email marketing systems. The software can help create optimized ads, target the right audiences, and track performance all in one place. Whether you're a small business owner or a digital marketing pro, this can be a huge advantage. Another big selling point is its scalability. As your business grows, VentureMate AI grows with you. The software can handle increased workloads without losing performance. This makes it ideal for businesses that plan to scale because you won't outgrow it anytime soon. Now, one thing to note is that while VentureMate AI is powerful, it's not without a learning curve. For those who are completely new to AI tools, there may be a few features that take time to get used to. However, the free trial lets you test everything out, so you can get familiar with it at your own pace. Lastly, let's touch on the customer support. VentureMate AI offers solid support channels, from tutorials to a responsive help desk. If you run into issues, you'll find it easy to get the answers you need, which is essential for a tool like this. If you're ready to give VentureMate AI a try, you can access a free trial using the first link in the description below. That means no risk, just the opportunity to see if it's a good fit for your business. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that after trying thousands of AI tools, I've compiled a list of my top recommended AI software in the description below. These are the ones that have truly made a difference in digital marketing, and I think you'll find them useful for your own business needs. So, if you're looking for a reliable AI software that can help streamline your operations and drive growth, VentureMate AI is definitely worth exploring. Try it out for yourself and don't forget to check out the other AI tools I recommend.